Hi everyone, and welcome back to this big announcement that many have been waiting for. We had over 100 entries to this week's AGT Learning version. Maybe we should have called it the Home Edition.
Thank you to everyone who entered the competitions. There were amazing artworks and cartoons, hilarious backyard antics, family fun exercises, super sing stars, musical wizards, and fantastic dancers, along with some creative writing and even a house ninja. Some of the teachers also entered the competition, and the overall winner of the teachers section was a tie between Mrs. Davies with her creative stop-go motion cartooning and Mrs. Phillips with her beautiful Tui poem slideshow.
Now it is time to announce the winners of each section, starting with the winners and highly commended visual art entries. Highly commended receive an extra 20 house points, and the overall winners of each section will be awarded 50 house points. The highly commended students in visual art cartooning are Harvey Oric, Room 8, Ruby Bergen, Room 9, Liam Adams, Room 7, Daniel Howie, Room 8. And taking our first place is James Oric, Room 4, for the junior and middle school. And the winner of the senior and intermediate competition is Zalak Singh from Room 11.
Highly commended in the literacy challenge was Lanita Sharp from Room 14. And the overall winner is Edward Everett from Room 9. Highly commended in the performing arts section were Selena from Room 11 and Jack Harris from Room 4. The overall winners in the junior and middle school were Micah Toala and Larissa Toala from Rooms 3 and 6, who dressed up and performed a wonderful play with the whole family. And Zaira Lopez from Room 11, with help from her brother Kurt Baird from Room 6, winning the senior and intermediate section with their fantastic carpool karaoke. Sorry if I got your name wrong.
The sports section was strongly contested, with highly recommended going to Jessie McLennan, Room 13, Eleanor Montgomery, Room 12, Bryson Squire, Room 2, Upraj Singh, Room 5, and Ava Sealer from Room 12. The overall winners were Toby and Gemma Blackwell from Room 10 and 7, who took us all over their backyard with amazing rugby ball antics, and even a guest appearance by a panda who we suspect is an Alfriston ex-pupil.
But we also had to have some special awards for students who did amazing things. These special awards goes to Best Comedy Entry, which goes to Carlos Bryas, and Most Elaborate Costuming, which goes to Nikita Van Dam. We also had a Most Creative Presentation and Knowledge of the Solar System, which goes to Jasper Penne from Room 5. And we can't forget about the brilliant bubble entries from the Blue and Red Bubbles, made up of the students and teachers who are at school at the moment, who did TikTok dances.
Now for the winning house points for this week, which is made up of Pet Day points and Alfriston's Got Talent points. House points from Pet Day were 4th place with 170 house points was Hillary, 3rd place with 180 points was Walker, and 2nd place with 195 points was Blake, and 1st place was Batten with 230 points.
On to the Alfriston's Got Talent points. 4th place with 280 house points was Blake. 3rd place with 460 points was Batten. In 2nd place with 530 points was Walker. So in 1st place was Hillary with 620. Good job, guys.
So the overall house places are: in 4th place with 475 house points was Blake. In 3rd place with 690 points was Batten. And in 2nd place with 715 points was Walker. And in 1st place was Hillary with 990 points. Yay!
Yay!
On the Mathletics points for distance learning, the top 5 classes are Room 14, Room 12, Room 9, Room 11, and Room 1. In third place with 126,925 points is room 12. In second place is room 14 with 141,112 points. Room 9 is in first place with 178,089 points.
The top 10 students are Edward Everett, Cooper Johnson, Stephen Lee, Raina Sharma, Gavir Singh Saini, Toby Gowes, Case McKerney, Amrit Kaur, Bella Liu and Amanjot Kaur. In third place with 28,584 points is Toby Gao. Second place is Stephen Lee with 39,535 points. Bella Liu is in first place with 46,610 points.
Well done, everybody. Remember to look out for next week's challenges, which will be sent out today. Let's see which house can take out first place next time.